Hi guys, today we're going to divide fractions. Now remember, multiplying fractions is pretty easy. We just take our numerator times our numerator, and then our denominator times our denominator. But when we divide, we can't do that. We could divide our numerator, 6 divided by 3 equals 2, but 7 divided by 4 equals 1 3/4. And you can't have a fraction inside a fraction. So we have to have a different way to do it. The way we do it is we use the opposite operation, and then we use the opposite fraction, the second one. And the opposite fraction is called the reciprocal. Remember that? So the first fraction stays the same, 6/7. We switch that symbol to the opposite. Now we're going to multiply, and then we take that fraction and use its reciprocal, 4/3. And then we just multiply like we remember how. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we've simplified our problem, and we have 8/7. Like always, when we multiply fractions, we have to change that improper fraction to a mixed number. So 7 goes into 8 one time with 1/7 left over. So 6/7 divided by 3/4 equals 1 1/7. Now remember, if you have an improper fraction, you change it to a mixed number at the end. If you have a mixed number or a whole number in your problem, you have to change it to an improper fraction. I cannot take 7 and divide it with or multiply either way with a fraction. I cannot divide a mixed number. So I'm going to change both of those into improper fractions. Remember, a whole number, we just put it over 1. And then when we have our mixed numbers, 5 times 1 plus 2 equals 7/5. So 7 over 1 divided by 7/5. We're going to change our symbol. We're going to change our fraction. So we keep 7 over 1. Instead of dividing, we're doing the opposite, multiplying. And instead of dividing 7/5, we're multiplying the opposite, 5/7. Our 7s, we both can divide by 7 and we get 1. Now we have 5 over 1. And if it's a whole number over 1 like that, we just make it our whole number. 7 divided by 1 2/5 equals 5. If you're a little confused, because I did that kind of quickly, turning the mixed number into an improper fraction, watch that video again. Watch the mixed numbers and improper fractions video if you get stuck on this step right here. If you're a little confused, I go a little slower to explain it. So this is dividing fractions. It works for mixed numbers, it works for whole numbers, and it works for just regular proper fractions. So make sure you watch this video if you need to. Take your time. Our test is going to be Tuesday, April 18th. So study hard and good luck, boys and girls.